Hello folks, welcome to Residue YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you 5 free courses of machine learning. So make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's start. So you will get all the links in description, but before going to description or before clicking any link, you should have to watch this video till end so you can learn how to enroll in this course or how to enroll in any website. So the first website is known as ADEX.org. This course is by IBM International Business Machine, and here you can see machine learning with Python, a practical introduction. Whenever you will click, you will appear on this page. You will see enroll, but I am already enrolled in this case, so you should have to click on go to enroll, and whenever you click, you will see you should have to sign up in this website, so you will get so you can access this course. So here you can see resume course, so you have to click on free one, so you will get this course. And here you can see about this course. This is the about this course, and you can expand also. Right now you will see you will see option to go to course. So simply example, I see click on get quiz course, and our course will open here. So here you see an overview, and right now I'm not going to upgrade. This is a free one, so click on next, and you will get all the information provided by this course. So right now you can see your progress and your tracks. And the second website is known as machine learning for everyone. Website is DataCamp, datacamp.com, and the course name is machine learning for everyone. And just click on this start course for free. But right now, before clicking on this, I am going to show you one thing, that here you can see what is machine learning, view chapter details, and here you can see what is machine learning, recognizing handwriting digits, and all the concepts. And the chapter 2 is machine learning with modules. You can unlock this after completing the first one. Here you can see, just click on continue chapter, and you have to also sign up here or login here. If you already have one, just click on login, or if you do not have any account, you have to sign up here so you can access this course. Right now it's not opening, I think due to the internet connection, and it's open, and you will see a video here. Just click on this, and
welcome to machine learning
for right now I'm going to play. I'm just going to pause it and just click on go to it, and you will get next lecture according to what they teach or how they teach. And the third website is known as Udacity.com, or just click on you can see machine learning by Georgia Tech. Georgia Tech is kind of any tech company, or it can be famous, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. And just click on start free course, and you have to also have to sign up here. So you can get free courses or this course. Just click on start, or ML is in the box, and here you can see you will get the videos one by one. Now I'm not going to play. And supervised learning, introduction and reduction, unsupervised, and reinforcement, and comparison of these parts of ML. And the third website is well known, Coursera. I don't know its pronunciation very well. So you can see this is machine learning Stanford Online, provided by Stanford. And just click on to enroll course. Right now it's go to course, because I already enrolled, so it's saying go to course. So when you will appear on this website, you have to sign up here as well. So just click enroll or go to course. It's not clicking, I don't know why. Just wait for a while. I asked it open, and here you can see what's happened. Just click on week 1, and just resume or start by clicking here resume. So I'm going to resume it. You will get option of start. These courses are free, and you can see you got a course. Just play and get your information or learn machine learning for free. And the number 5 is from Google. Who don't know Google here? Everyone knows about Google. Google is you will learn ML here from Google experts or employee who work at Google. And here you can see you have to choose what I am. I am a student, or I am a data scientist, I am a researcher or software engineer. For example, I choose I'm a student and software engineer. So you will get the many options here. So you can start introduction to ML problem framing. You will get various or many machine learning courses here, and here you can see you will learn here from experts work at Google. And hope you like this video, and make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel so you can get all the new videos that I will upload on my YouTube channel.